I'm Steve Ember with the VOA Special English Economics Report. Kenneth Lay, the former chairman of Enron, died Wednesday in Aspen, Colorado. A medical examiner said the cause was a heart attack. Ken Lay was 64 years old. In May, a jury in Houston, Texas, found him guilty of 6 charges related to the failure of the energy trading company. He faced sentencing in October to a long prison term. The jury found former Enron president Jeffrey Skilling guilty of 19 charges. False record-keeping and other actions made Enron appear profitable even as its financial troubles grew. Its request for bankruptcy protection in 2001 marked, at the time, the biggest business failure in American history. More than 20 people later admitted or were found guilty of charges of wrongdoing. Jurors said Ken Lay and Jeffrey Skilling were responsible for what took place. A week ago, government lawyers asked a judge to order the 2 men to pay more than $180 million. They were seeking $43 million of that from Ken Lay. After Enron's failure, Congress moved to strengthen accounting rules with the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002. Ken Lay had built Enron into one of the nation's biggest companies. News reports about his death noted that President Bush called him Kenny Boy. Legal experts say his death clears his criminal record because he did not have a chance to appeal. But civil actions to reclaim money can continue, though possibly with limits. Ken Lay said his company was a victim of bad market conditions and unfair media coverage. After the jury found him guilty, he told reporters, "I firmly believe that I am innocent of the charges against me, as I have said from day one." Before we go, a quick update. Recently, we said hedge fund advisors had to register with the Securities and Exchange Commission. That was true at the time, at least for advisors with 15 or more investors. On June 23rd, an appeals court rejected that rule. But 3 members of the House of Representatives have since proposed a bill that would give the agency the power to renew it. Hedge funds are estimated to hold between $1 and $2 million, but they are not governed by investor protections like mutual funds are. This VOA Special English Economics Report was written by Mario Ritter. A free transcript of this report is at voaspecialenglish.com. I'm Steve Ember.